VoodooDE.
Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. We have some breaking news here. There is a really huge leak about the Meta Quest Pro. Yeah, and we still didn't really know is the name Project Cambria or Quest Pro or whatever. And now an hotel employee found a Quest Pro package and made an unboxing video. This is crazy. This is an engineer version, but we will check out the unboxing together. It's on Facebook here, and you see this is the name. So I definitely don't think this is fake or something. So let's check it out. Here's the package. It's so crazy. Yeah, you see the headset here and the controllers. Yeah. He will show the controllers later. Now he's getting this out of the box. And now, yeah, look at this. Here's still the quick installation guide or something. So, and this is what is really interesting, but I'm a little bit afraid of, I don't see any face gasket or something. Yeah, this is, I watched this video like 10 times. There's also another part of the package there seems to be no face gasket. So it looks like your eyes are directly, these are the pancake lenses. Yeah, so the design is very small, but there is no thing to stop the light leakage from the sides or from the bottom or something. So when the lenses are just in front of your eyes, then there's a lot of light leakage coming from all the sides. At least it seems so. I of course I didn't try it, but normally you need some stuff that prevents the light leakage. Yeah, I don't know. And now give me a second here. That's very interesting. Here you see the cameras. Here's one at the side, and on the other side, of course, as well. And 3 at the front. Look at this. So, what do you think? This looks, in my opinion, this looks really, really ugly. Yeah, it looks like I don't know, like a bug that's crying. So, oh. I don't know. It's in my opinion, it's really ugly from the front, but it doesn't matter. I mean, if it works, whatever. Yeah. So we have 5 tracking cameras, 3 at the front and 2 at the sides. Interesting. And here are the controllers. See, and here's the other package. And I still don't see any face gasket here. I'm not sure. Put that here, and now he's getting the controllers out. Look at this. Here are the tracking cameras of the controllers. Here, and we have the X and Y, the menu button and the thumbstick, and it seems here's another camera. So a lot of cameras, so that you don't cover the cameras with your fingers. Here, there's another camera, the trigger, and here's something. I don't know what that is. Perhaps for charging. I think it's for charging, yeah. No idea. It's so crazy, guys. And the other controller has the A and B button, of course. Wow. Yeah, there's nothing really. Inside here, I hope. And look at this. Here's the package, yeah. And here also there is no face gasket on this picture. Here are the 2 controllers, and this seems to be a docking station, I think, yeah, so that we can charge it. Interesting. And somewhere they say in the corner there is 25. You see that here? I think there's 256 gigabyte. At least they say that here on Upload VR, yeah. And there is a marker that says not for resale, engineer sample. Crazy, crazy. So finally, we know that the name is MetaQuest Pro. Here you can see it here, and yeah, is that a wheel here? Perhaps IPD. I don't know. It has eye tracking and stuff. You see the eye tracking here somewhere? Well, yeah, I think it's around the lenses. Wow. So guys, what do you say? Do you love the design? I don't like it. I mean, from the side and stuff, this is cool, yeah. This looks good, but the front with this with this crying eyes, this is I don't know. Yeah. So this is a really huge leak, crazy. And what do you think? Is that interesting for you? Will you buy it? Do you have some concerns about it? Write it in the comments below. And if you want to support me, check out the first pinned comment. Then you get some advantages like behind the scenes videos and early access to my videos. Only $1 per month. That would really help me. Check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE